Good morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and this is your weekend outlook for Saturday, July 27th and Sunday, July 28th, 2013. Starting off with the European model overview here. Now, this is Saturday afternoon, and we have have a cold front that's sitting back here, sitting way back here. This is across Michigan, northern Indiana. There's actually going to be a prefrontal trough that's going to be sitting out here like this, and right along that trough, there could be some convection, some showers and thunderstorms firing out ahead of it. This is going to be mostly for central PA. We did allow for some showers and thunderstorms to make it in very late in the day, and this would be say after 4 or 5 p.m., but only right here across, say, Williamsport all the way down to Harrisburg, and places like that. These areas further east here, we don't think we're getting any precipitation during the daylight hours. We'll wait till after sunset. So if you have any outdoor plans on Saturday, you look okay from this point right here further eastward. You're not looking at any precipitation in that in that time frame until you get after dark here. What this will end up doing. So go to the next frame here. You can see that this is actually Saturday at 8 p.m. and you can see the easternmost extent of any isolated showers does not get into Eastern PA, does not get into New Jersey. So you're looking at again, from Williamsport down to about Harrisburg and York and places like that could get into this action. Take a look at the high-res NAM this morning, and pretty much showing the same thing here. We have no, this is 6 p.m. and Harrisburg's right here. You have a chance of an isolated shower here. Williamsport up here. You don't have you have a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm on your doorstep, but not really looking too bad for most areas further east here. This is 9 o'clock now. The sun's down, and you see this area of showers now moving east. This is 11 p.m. and this is midnight. Again, nothing really heavy, nothing crazy, but it doesn't get over to Eastern PA, the rest of Eastern PA, until we get closer to the midnight hour. So, again, during the day you're okay for the areas further east, but look for those showers that we allow for in our westernmost counties in areas further west. So, go back to the European model. We're going to look at the next couple days here. And this is Sunday morning. The front is now moving through, and you can see I have showers and thunderstorms over here. And as it go forward in time, Saturday afternoon and evening, front still in the vicinity. So Sunday does not look like a good day. The better of the 2 days, obviously, will be Saturday for outdoor activities, and Sunday does not look very good for outdoor activities. So if you have anything scheduled, that's pretty unfortunate because we have this another slow-moving system. Does continue for the first part of the overnight hours, and then we think it clears out on Monday. We did allow for an isolated shower early on Monday morning for easternmost portions of New Jersey here, but we think the front clears pretty nicely, and then we have a couple days of nice weather Monday, Tuesday, and probably even Wednesday too. We did allow for an isolated shower on Wednesday just because there's a front very close by, but the European model is not showing anything this morning. So we'll just have to see how that plays out. A system bar south here is going to form. It's a low pressure going to form along that front and will affect us in the Thursday, Friday time frame. And you can see that here. There's showers and thunderstorms firing along that front here. Wherever that front stalls is where this low pressure is going to form and push through. And then it moves out early Friday, and then sets up next weekend to at least start out nice. And then we'll be doing something more again next Sunday, but that's getting a little bit too far ahead. Right now, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Saturday. Saturday is the better of the 2 days, and get out and enjoy it while you can, because Sunday does not look too good. Take a look at Dorian real quick. We pretty much gave this the kiss of death. It's not quite there yet. It's still a tropical storm and clinging for dear life here. As a minimal tropical storm, we expected this to fizzle as we got into the next couple days here, especially today. We might go down to a depression today. This actually is the future guidance off of, there's the current off the GFS. Here's Dorian right here. It's just going to do one of these little numbers here. It's going to fizzle as it heads out over here and hits Cuba and things like that. But I really don't see anything being, this is the GFS future projection of it. And you can see it becomes an open wave here. And very weak, and just pretty much falls apart as it heads towards towards Cuba, and then it just dies off into nothing. So that's what we're expecting out of Dorian. Not expecting this to make it, intensify and head up the East Coast and affect the Eastern Coast. Not looking anything like that. So you should have had no worries if you have plans along the beaches along the East Coast next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your weekend outlook for Saturday, July 27th and Sunday, July 28th, 2013. Have a great weekend.